What you say now?
No matter where you put up on truck.
Yeah, man.
You have boil out the water and so.
The kid of
Back line and me I walk through Santa Cruz. Don't stretch it.
Yeah, man.
The leg and be a foot.
Yeah.
I just have to go down.
Long here.
Baby go down MOBAY man. What they doing?
That's fine.
So this is because the blood clot. I'm 1,500 RPM with 2%. I want the blood clot is attention for the gear stick and hold on the right wheel. I'm not tendency.
Yeah.
You just a slap, clap, clap. Why I see I'm feeling pain, man.
Give to the artist, friends to the beast, no rating. La 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 la.
What you say now?
No man, the gas start the black girl don't eat.
Yeah.
Some snacks.
Yeah.
I'm told, man.
Yeah, man. This is our roll with today.
You know, if you have no, tell something I like. You know, if you have only but thing for a machine to make machine nice. You understand?
Yeah.
Water and soap, man. Nothing more, nothing beat that. No matter where you put up on truck.
Yeah, man.
You have boil out the water and soap.
Yeah, man.
Alright, man.
Tool at tool.
Could have make your show on the come. People bother no matter, man. I walk, look, I have a dog, I have a client that me I walk from. I walk through Santa Cruz.
Yeah.
I see the Holland Bamboo, I just get a ride.
Real, man.
Now make it show miss me. I walk, I get the job of a client and I walk.
Yeah, man, you don't walk around. Yo.
That's just
I
how I
don't
say,
spurt
man.
you.
I don't spurt it.
Yeah, man.
My leg ain't barefoot.
Yeah.
I just have to go down.
Down hill. Bad. Yeah, man. But I don't know, side down a Luana today. I hope for active day, you know. But the my two machines are pass right now for you, you know. Catch them, I go through with the nice scenery here. But yeah, man. Got a good road, you know. Right. Water song.
Murder, man.
Active. What you say now? Speed boss.
No.
Yeah, man.
You go Pete, you know. Remember, you go Pete. You know what I'm about that. No, sitting the what?
Yeah.
Consume.
Alright. People make you know if that is true. Yeah, man. So you say we are going with the idea now for the truck.
Luana, man.
Luana.
Don't know who? Mrs. Low.
Yeah. Yeah, man. One bag of her. I say we know something, but we know.
Crocodile place have the place locked.
Burn, man.
Burn outside, you know.
Yeah, man.
Like the machine one chatting on, you know.
Yeah.
There's the expand, you know.
Expertise.
Eh?
Yeah, man.
Why with one bumbuckler deal you couldn't pass the boy?
Yeah.
Look for the deal.
On the deal, man.
You pass.
Yeah.
Every pass is a deal without a promotion. No better deal than this every pass. Who
Deal,
is
man.
the next deal? Me I tell you.
Real, man. Yeah, man.
A machine. A machine.
I would drive a 99.
No, just come and take a front view.
Toll. Machine. Some to talk about, man. Oh, it's next. ISX 18 from machine. 24 series. Bill fee kill, man. Yeah. Toll, man, toll. Yes, sir. Yeah. Yeah. What you say, uncle?
The key,
What you say, a machine?
man. chrome machine. Call over chrome.
Yeah, man. Toll at toll. Toll at toll. Yeah, man. Machine is a machine, I don't know. Levels to this, you know. Slowly but surely, you know, the machine will clean up the right way. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, it's a start. And next year, you know, say I look on the machine with the whole heap more, isn't it? Chrome and accessories. Now go.
This is a machine alone could put your position leader in a bumper clap power. Yeah, man, big orange, man. That alone, man, a powerhouse, that man.
History. Bob, trucks and the umbrella, eh?
We can't leave him alone.
Yeah.
Now let him stranded or hanging, you know?
Yeah.
Fucking strong, you know?
Yeah, man.
You know me a king in the earth, you know?
Yeah.
He leaves that whole umbrella on the head.
Your pussy all along the way.
Yeah. Yeah, peep. Yeah, man, we're in the place, Luana. Yeah, man. Clean up time. Yes, I. Sound good, you know? Tools. N14, Washerman. And you say no. That is it. Yes, production ready, everyone. Yes, production. Cool, you know? Cool. Yes, production. Right down the floor, you know? As an operator, clean operator, you know? Yeah, man. Tell me about the machine now, operator.
Boss price truck.
Yeah.
One Sandy for one Sapang.
Yeah.
N14, 189, 18. 22 series.
Yeah.
All works.
Yeah.
Just a type the boss, right?
Yeah, man.
No working again.
No working again. Retire. Yeah, man. One dancing, you know?
But look like they're sorry if you want to take your back down on me a bed.
You don't want to play a pen.
This is my mode. Now play with it.
That's a girl, they love yourself.
Yeah, man. Anything you want to say, man. alone, all in media.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how you let that fire.
Come inside.
Yo, Daddy, big man.
There, man.
You know, say to those.
Don't spot me down and start me, man.
Yo, you know, say to those, I'm message going to get Joel's, please. And Joel said, don't buy to me. But they said, I'm going to take up money to buy Chuck for 19 million.
You feel happy in the answer? Eh?
No, it's half a quick talk. I don't know what. But Joel said, don't buy to me. Buy to God.
I went animal like conversation.
Yeah, my brother.
You must see a jacket and pull over almost. I'm alone forward, man.
Yo. Yeah, man. They're in a place, you know?
You're up on the sideline, you know? People this year up on the sideline, you know, you might go back to your giant board. You make some mistake last year, understand? They end up on the sideline, you know? So next year, we'll see up.
Yeah, peeps, tolls entering. Yeah, man, bad earth. Yeah, man, bad machine cross off, you know. Yeah, man, enough people on TikTok can see the progress over time, how long this truck has been building. Well put together, you know, time and money well spent. Yeah, man. Machine active. Yeah, man, toll at all.
Kevin the bad beat. Yeah, coward. Talk again.
Maybe go to MOBAY, man. What are they doing? Man, back. Cut sound and N14 and DJI and Keta plate in them. Alex, I can book one sound, but a whole heap of sound there.
Best believe.
Best believe.
What are also? Go on, bossy. Yeah, man. We meet again. It's on the work.
Why? As we reach them, put me on work.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, we're going to do a deep delete for that thing, you know.
I'm big silicon.
Yeah.
I'm at that side.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Best believe. Yo, that we spec time machine, man.
325 L10, 113.
Yeah.
433 ratio.
Machine. out here. You good? Sir Jeffrey. Yeah, man. God's favorite, you know? Tell me about the machine, bossy.
One more time again. It's not only about race cars.
Yes, we know that, man.
I have pretty trucks too.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Sweet deal. So, tell me about this beautiful machine.
It's just pretty simple.
Yeah.
Nothing fussy about it. I just say, just simple Caterpillar.
Yeah.
Big one, won't call the name. Everybody know the name. I tell you.
Yes.
Big one.
Yes.
18 speed. 23.
Yeah. Cool.
Yeah.
Proper machine. Yeah. Something to talk about,
Bit
man.
different from the others.
Yeah, man.
Only truck in Jamaica now we have this setup. Where you see?
Yeah.
Presently now. But if there's a next one, I want to see it.
Yeah, man.
Identical setup that come literally as a classic, no additional,
Yeah.
just color.
Fuck. Beautiful, and the low boy is perfect.
So we had a machine that only in Jamaica.
Yeah.
That machine on the back,
Yeah.
only in Jamaica.
One of one.
Yeah, man. Only place you find that now in the
Yeah.
Caribbean. In the Caribbean, just
Yeah.
in Jamaica.
Wow.
Nowhere in the Caribbean. If there's a next one, let me see.
Yeah, man. The first I seen it,
But me
man.
know what says when about.
One CJ, you know. One trailblazer, you know. One CJ, you know. Active, my dog. Wow. Machine, my man.
Yeah, man.
Toll at all. Tell me about the machine. Tell me about the machine, man.
So that 2013 International Pro Star,
Yeah.
charged by a 14-liter DJI,
Yeah.
189.13.
Toll.
Yeah, man.
Listen.
Pasta tastes good so far.
Hold on.
That's about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Check. I would have
You say get a pass.
Yeah, man, get a pass.
Alright.
In a hot like task, man. In a hot like task, man, a pass.
Yeah. Alright, man.
You see, you think I'm mad to make a truck show make money? I'm mad to sell umbrella car.
Blood clot. Look at him. Look at him, man. Look at him, man. Bomba clot. Why, yo?
Steady up that, man. Where is that from?
I'm going to put this one and we have a tape. And we have a ear tester and it's the car. You never know the future, bro. Yeah, man. But if you get on the fog, if you can't go, I'm going to the fog.
I keep one like I'm dead beat, man. Yeah, truck and rub it out program, man. Nothing but this up. say, who chuck your job on L10? Don't say, who chuck your job again?
Last time I see a driver,
What I forgot the more carry up to that still a chuck everybody to me.
Yeah, man, it makes sense. Because the money we make it, first thing you have to buy gas time. You can beg yourself for it. I want to see people in the street. They will check the money for one job. Some of that 1 pound figure. 1 pound figure. 1 pound can make that big. Everything I want, man.
Yes, sir.
Where is it?
We can't do that, no. Yeah, you know, so we can't do that. We can't do that. Yeah? There. When the machine is stopped, so my cocky jump now.
IB, so why operator? You an operator?
For them, sir.
Why an IB, say now?
We are going importing ISM for 8, you know.
Yeah. Calm and steady. Jaja God. Oh, come on in on. Here's the number boss. Oh, that's all. Nice, the freak. Nice. I'll be a man, them reach early, man.
him out of your back straight.
Get away, get away.
Yeah, man, yeah, man.
I just said, let's see, 390.
On DJ, no man.
And also, the moving of the vehicle in this area is also prohibited. Okay? This is where the kids will be, this is where the people, patrons will be walking and all that. And that's where a good track record or what people that do. You understand? So, all the cars that's on the field over that side, right? Directly.
There's our trucks. Take your money by truck. Up. One for the Russian, no. Big boss. Oh, go on there. Pretty in person, my boss. Man, beautiful. Oh, that toll. Yeah, man. Go it. Oh, God. Go. Yeah, man. Beauty, man, a beauty. Dash in and a dash in. Remember good.
Active. You can't chat any fuckery.
Yeah.
N14. Bumbleclaw, L14 beat there. No put his eyes up and that's the big L14. Yeah. L14. No put his head when that's the big L14. Alpha piston. Right to a blood class side later.
Yeah? Master. Papa D?
And then the Shaman look for you.
When is
Shaman boy.
Yeah, me know, man.
No, me why ya? What? No, no, right, man, look. Right, I look at Truckshow.
Come here, go circle. Come here.
Yeah, man, I'm manual Bumbleclaw Gaia sex, sit down.
What you say?
I'm manual Gaia sex and a higher sex. Gaia sex. Yo, I'm manual Gaia sex. I have that machine, man.
Don't worry, easy.